Hi, I'm Russ from Blomster Designs, and your doorbell may have just rung, which means you could have just received a beautiful handmade bouquet from our workshop. In this video, I'm going to show you how to unbox those flowers, put them in a vase and enjoy them. So you've just had your delivery of flowers from Blomster Designs. They've come in a beautiful bespoke flower box and they will be perfectly delivered. So to open the box, we just open the two tabs and open the front door of the box. And inside the box you're going to find that wonderful bouquet that we've handcrafted for you. Slide the container from the inside the box. Now all the packaging is completely recyclable, so this can be broken down and put into your recycling bin. Plus the bottom that has kept it safe and secure within the inside of the box. Every bouquet comes with flower food. Then you just open the two tabs here and here and release that forward, and inside you will see a container which has held the flowers safe and secure, plus it also contains water to keep those flowers lovely and fresh. Just ease the flowers from the container by pulling them up. They'll be drippy because they'll be wet, and there you have a beautiful bouquet of flowers ready to put into water. So cut open the flower food, pop into the water, and then with your flowers just remove them from the paper cutting the string and putting them into the vase. And that is an absolutely beautiful bouquet of Dutch tulips. So we hope you really enjoy the flowers that we have created for you, and they bring you a lot of enjoyment. Please remember, all of the packaging is fully recyclable, including the box inside, which can go into your recycling bin. Well, I really hope that this video has been helpful, and I hope you enjoy the beautiful flowers that we created for you. For more details on all our bouquets, please visit the website. But for now, from our home to yours, we wish you a lovely day.